Oh my god.
You know, like 3 videos. They're like 2 minutes long.
Okay. Is that good? Oh, thank you, Kristen.
Mine.
That's yours? Okay.
But,
Okay.
but,
Where are you gonna put it?
but.
You gonna give it to Stephanie? Okay, Stephanie's sleeping though.
Hmm?
She's sleeping.
No.
Yeah. What if she shoved it in her mouth? Yeah, go. Where'd you put it, Kristen?
Give it to Stephanie. Okay.
Good.
What did she do?
Duh.
Oh, did she eat it?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.